I'm here with new lights here because it's around 5:22 now and it's getting dark. I've already done some stuff before filming. What I did on day 13 was to finish up the basement, which you can see here that it's already done, and before this it was white in color. Forgot to do this. I also made the roof structure. Basically, these are all glued down already and it's really stable because the glue that I use is amazing. So it's pretty stable. When I was doing this, I didn't read the instructions properly and I thought I just had to cut one side and I didn't cut the other side. So I glued them all together already and I was like, shit. Ended up cutting the other two sides in a weird way, but thankfully my glue was really amazing, so nothing broke, and this is what came out of it. And on day 14, I started making paper template for the roof slate, which is like here. And I cut the pieces into little bricks like this. So the problem with this was that when I got it from Art Friend, because of the conversion of the inches and the cm again, the strip of wood I got in Art Friend was 1 times 13 mm, but what I needed was 1 times 10 mm, and I had to like remove 3 mm myself first before I could cut the strip wood. So if you can find the exact measurement for this, please do, because it will save you a lot of time because you don't have to do like double the work. In the book it actually says that I have to cut around 630 bricks, but I think it's supposed to cover all 3 sides. It took me about 3 hours to cut about 200 pieces of wood, so you can imagine how long it takes to cut everything. I actually made some sort of template to make my life easier so that, you know, I don't have to measure every single thing. I just have to make sure that it all aligns and then I'll cut it, and then it was a lot faster that way, so it reduced my time by about, I think, 1 hour or so. So you can try this method if you like to. So I was using my cutter to cut everything out individually, but my boyfriend came back from the US and I asked him to buy for me this Meter Master. It's basically something that you can use to cut strips of wood, and after conversion and stuff, even though the shipping was a lot cheaper because he brought it back from the US, it was still about, I think, 60 plus SGD, but yeah, it expedited the thing a lot better for me. I think it's pretty nice to use. It doesn't hurt my wrist a lot, because usually this kind of stuff, after a lot of usage, it will hurt quite a bit, but this one is not bad and it's really sharp, so you guys can check this out. But if you don't think you want to invest on something like this, you can still use, you know, your cutter to cut it, but this is really going to save you a lot of time. One of the annoying thing about this is that every time you cut it, the wood will just fly all over the place, and it's really annoying. It's just pew, pew, just go over the place and you just have to like bring everything back in, but it just saves me a lot of time.
Untitled. Untitled.
Today, I'm going to try to finish the exterior. I really want to finish the exterior as quickly as I can because it has been around for way too long. So I finally received all my stuff from Miniature Marketplace, which I bought quite a while back. I already unboxed it. One of the things that I really need to finish the exterior is inside. So this is what I need for today. It's a gutter and also like a cornice. I think that's how you pronounce it. Don't know how to pronounce it. And yeah, I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna cut them first and then paint them and then glue them up. Okay, see you in a bit. Guys, so I am finally done with the exterior. Well, it's just the front and the side, the roof not yet, but I'm finally done with this. This is how it looks like and I am pretty happy about it, but I don't really know how to do the weathering, and I'm just like putting whatever I think looks okay, and I'm not sure if I'm doing it correctly, but this is what I have so far. One of the things I realized when I was doing the exterior was that basically the instruction given was just to, cut to size, glue them down, blah blah blah. But I realized that we have to cater for the ends to meet. So I have to kind of try and error on the angles and stuff of how I should cut it so that it can fit properly. Halfway through, I happily thought that okay, I'm gonna finish the exterior and stuff, but then I realized that this porch area, this thing, was actually not done. The instruction came a bit later, so it was a little bit annoying because it was something that I could have done together with the other pieces. But other than that, I really enjoyed the process. I think it was quite fun, and it looks pretty okay so far for me. I think if you look close enough, you'll see like a lot of things are very uneven, and I'm really not sure how I'm supposed to handle some of the things that I need to do. I mean, at least it looks kind of decent and looks like a house now and not just like an incomplete mess. But yeah, so I'm looking forward to finishing up the roof. I've already done this side. I think they are like the sides for me to do. Then I think I'm gonna have to paint it, put some chimneys, blah blah blah. So it's gonna be even more exciting. I hope I don't take too much time on that again, but it is day 15, about there, and I only finished the exterior, so we have a long way to go. I'm not sure how long this project is gonna last, so I hope it's not like too boring so far. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!